Hi, Carol Geronsin with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, proudly presenting to you 4855 Green Crest Drive in the beautiful hills here of Yorba Linda. This is located in a very special area that I so love called Hidden Hills, where home prices actually exceed $9 million. So this home has been completely gutted, every square inch of the interior from stem to stern. It took this seller a year and a half to do all of this, and oh my gosh, now they have to move. For the first time, I have my little cheat sheet here because there are so many fabulous custom finishes and designs and that I don't want anybody to miss a thing about this incredible home. And I am so excited to present it to you. So as we enter this home, we're going to look at this 14-foot glass door that actually costs nearly $50,000 to put in. That'll give you just some idea of the amount of money that these sellers have put into this home. In fact, there is one word that I can think of that can describe this home, and that is wow. So I am so excited for you to all see this fabulous property. First of all, notice the magnificent light fixture in the foyer here. Here we have a custom iron staircase with opal white satin marble stairs. We have French oak flooring throughout, quartzite floor-to-ceiling fireplace. Everything is just magnificently designed. And what a wonderful dining room here to entertain in. French windows and doors surround this, high ceilings with the interior lighting up there, and again, another spectacular fixture, custom cabinetry and marble countertop over here to my left. Okay, so once we enter the home, to the left we go, and we have this wonderful office area here, again with French windows overlooking the view. Here is the powder room for the home. Here we have the main floor guest bedroom with its own private bath, and every bathroom is specifically done differently, and they're all with a wowie factor. And I think this might not be such a bad place to do your laundry. I mean, look at this. Custom cabinetry, Italian agglomerate marble, just gorgeous. And then you look outside as well. And here we have this wonderful, wonderful kind of great room concept of the family room kitchen. It has very unique wine shelves over here. Again, restoration hardware fixture. We've got Somfy electronic shades. Magnificent view of the grounds and the city lights at night. Okay, all I can say is, again, wow with this kitchen. Custom cabinetry throughout. LED toe kick and under cabinet lighting. Rohl sinks. Everything brand new. Quartz countertops, Wolf 6-burner range. Pot filler, SubZero refrigerator freezer, and beverage drawers. SubZero Cove dishwasher, and of course your pantry. And what a wonderful breakfast nook. You sit here, you take in the peace, the quiet, the beautiful view. Can't think of a better place to have a cup of coffee. Look at this fabulous backyard, almost 18,000 square foot lot here, beautiful pool, spa, barbecue. But one of the most amazing things is this incredible view. Now it's a little hazy today, but you have 180-degree city light views. It's just wonderful to sit out here with a glass of wine, a cup of coffee, complete privacy, and enjoy the views. And upstairs here, we have the master suite and the secondary bedrooms as well. So come on in. To wake up every morning in this master suite, to me, would be a dream come true. One of the great features here as well is this wonderful romantic floor-to-ceiling fireplace. We have this great balcony to take in the view, to sit here with, again, your cup of coffee, glass of wine, or whatever. And again, at night, oh my gosh, it's just a carpet of city lights. Here we have this luxurious Hollywood-type bath arena. The countertops here are Bianco Venatino honed marble. This and all of the other faucets in the home are Waterstone and Brizo. I don't know about you, but I certainly wouldn't mind soaking in this tub, looking out at that view. The incredible master shower has CS Bianco Venatino hexagon marble. Really, this is just an amazing, amazing master bath. So here's one of the closets. So here's a closet that any woman would die for. Now I do want to say this. What they did is they took one of the bedrooms here and they made it into a closet. So if you needed the bedroom and not the closet, it would be very easy to put this back into a bedroom. But for these people, they really wanted the closet, and you can see why. Everything custom in here. Again, secondary bathroom with the Italian agglomerate marble. Secondary bedroom. And this wonderful large room, they utilize as an audio-visual room, but it could be a bedroom, another very large bedroom, because it has its own private bath over here as well. Again, a beautiful hills view from here. So please call me if you'd love to see this truly amazing home, where these people, as I said, put 1.5 years and nearly $1 million into this home to make it so special. I can guarantee you, you are not going to find another home that looks like this on the market in North Orange County. I love it, and I know you're going to love it. And it's one of those homes that you can just bring your toothbrush and move right in. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you.